Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to unlock one of the most important and most misunderstood parts of English grammar. Linking verbs.
Yes, and don't worry, by the end of this video, linking verbs will stop being confusing and start being delicious. Just like our example sentence.
Exactly. Here it is. The soup was delicious.
Simple sentence, but powerful grammar inside. Let's break it down step by step.
First question. What is a linking verb? A linking verb does not show action. Instead, it connects the subject to information about the subject.
So a linking verb is like a bridge. It links the subject to a description, identity, or condition.
In our sentence, the soup was delicious. Subject, the soup. Linking verb, was. Description, delicious.
So the verb was is not doing anything. The soup is not wasing. It's just being described.
This often called LA, where L equals linking verb plus A equals adjective.
So the structure is subject plus linking verb plus adjective. Examples: she is happy. The sky looks blue. The baby seems tired. The soup was delicious.
Important point. The adjective describes the subject, not the verb.
So delicious describes soup, not was. The verb is just the connector.
Let's look at the most common linking verbs. Memorize these. They are grammar gold.
Forms of be: am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being.
Sense verbs often linking. Look, sound, smell, taste, feel.
Other common linking verbs: seem, appear, become, remain, grow, turn, stay. Examples: the food smells good. He became angry. She seems nervous.
Here's a big exam tip. Some verbs can be linking or action depending on the sentence.
Look at this. She smells the soup. Action verb. She is doing something. The soup smells delicious. Linking verb, describing the soup.
Test trick. If you can replace the verb with is or are, it's probably linking.
Example: the soup smells delicious. The soup is delicious. So smells is linking verb here.
Now, a fancy grammar term. The adjective after a linking verb is called a subject complement.
Because it completes the meaning of the subject. In our sentence, the soup was delicious. Delicious is subject complement.
It gives more information about the subject. Without it, the sentence feels incomplete. The soup was what?
Mistake number 1. Using an adverb instead of an adjective. The soup was deliciously. The soup was delicious.
Why? Because after linking verbs, we use adjectives, not adverbs.
Mistake number 2. Thinking every verb is action. Remember, linking verbs describe, they don't act.
Quick practice. Tell us in the comments, is the verb linking or action? The cake tastes sweet.
Hint: can you say the cake is sweet?
If yes, you've got a linking verb superstar moment.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your grammar-loving friends. Both of us, see you in the next lesson, and keep your grammar delicious.